Welcome back. Today's Hundo Series project is heater hose tees. Check it out. This is the part that we got from the dealership. Cost about 13 bucks. Heater hose tees is something that you want to replace on your car about every 90,000 miles. This car is 170,000 plus, and we don't know when the last time it was replaced, so we're going to go ahead and change that up now.
What do you call it? Old. See that? See the brown?
It is a small but very important piece to replace in your car, or in this car at least, because if it deteriorates, you may have coolant issues, coolant leaking, and your car can overheat, and you don't want that if you are out in faraway lands. So we've got some soapy water, assortment of pliers since we don't know which one we'll be using, a 10 millimeter to remove the engine cover, some gloves, heater hose tee, headlamp, and some paper towels. We got a nice U-Haul box here to protect our driveway from any possible engine coolant leaks. Slide it under. Make sure to wear gloves to protect your hands from harmful chemicals. Step 1, remove the engine cover so that we can have better access to the two heater hose tees. So strong. Okay. Lift it up, nice and easy. I want to cover it back up, just so that nothing can get inside while we're working on the car. Very nice. Here they are. This one looks like it's already deteriorated. This one looks not that bad.
Disconnect wire and move it out of the way.
So it's a lift up, not push down, because there's a notch right here. Gotta lift it over the notch. Okay, so now get this out of the way. And
I sprayed soapy water on the hose so it was easier to slide the clips down.
the clips were facing down, so it was hard to get a good clamp with the pliers.
There goes the...
Here I was using a flathead to help slide the clip over.
It's hard, right?
Yeah.
You got it?
See how brittle they were?
Oh.
They were bound to fail at any time. To make it easier to remove the heater tee that was stuck, I decided to remove the whole hose. Removing the other heater tee was a little easier. It wasn't as badly corroded. I found that vise pliers made reinstalling the hose and clips much easier. I also recommend angling the clips up. This will make them easier to access with pliers next time.
What a project. Check these out. Look how corroded they were. These could have failed on us when we were just out there on the trails, and that would have caused us great headache, right? Now we have peace of mind knowing that these heater tees have been replaced with brand new ones. They should last us about 90,000 miles. We'll continuously check back, but you know, should be a good while before we have to do anything. Make sure you continuously check for leaks and your heater gauge to see if your temperature, if your car is overheating. But I think that's pretty good for now. So we had a little bit of coolant leaking during our change, so we're going to be burping the coolant system and adding some fluids. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the description box down below. We like to put a lot of useful information down there. And give us any tips or suggestions for next time, and any suggestions for new videos.